Can you imagine? In the plant world, there's a fascinating phenomenon. Some plants can capture prey just like animals. The Venus flytrap, for example, has leaves that resemble an ingenious trap. Once an insect touches the internal bristles, the leaves snap shut in less than 0.1 seconds, locking the prey in like a cage that closes instantly. Why did plants evolve such a unique predatory ability? What biological mechanisms lie behind it? Botanist Charles Darwin was deeply curious about this mystery. Renowned for his profound research on biological evolution, could he unveil the mystery of this phenomenon and answer the evolutionary question of plant predatory behavior? Through extensive observation and research, Darwin discovered that carnivorous plants like the Venus flytrap mostly grow in environments with poor soil and low nitrogen levels. He hypothesized that to obtain sufficient nutrients, these plants gradually evolved the ability to prey on insects, much like searching for new food sources in difficult circumstances. His viewpoint provided an important direction for the study of the evolution of carnivorous plants. This discovery deepened our understanding of the Venus flytrap's predatory behavior. However, some dissenting voices emerged at the time, with some arguing that Darwin's evolutionary view lacked sufficient evidence. With the development of gene sequencing technology, scientists analyzed the genome of the Venus flytrap. The results revealed that the Venus flytrap possesses genes similar to those in animals, playing crucial roles in prey perception, signal transmission, and prey digestion. This discovery was a bombshell, completely changing our understanding of plant predation behavior, revealing an unexpected genetic connection between plants and animals. Regarding the evolution of plant predation behavior, one view holds that environmental pressures dictated evolutionary direction. In harsh environments, plants were forced to develop predation abilities to adapt, a result of natural selection. Another view emphasizes the randomness of genetic variation, suggesting that certain accidental gene changes endowed plants with predation potential, which was then gradually refined through subsequent evolution. Both views have their merits, explaining the evolutionary process of plant predation behavior from different perspectives. Research on carnivorous plants has important applications in agriculture and environmental protection. In agriculture, studying the predation mechanisms of carnivorous plants helps develop new biological control methods. Utilizing these plants to control pests reduces the use of chemical pesticides, acting like natural guardians for crops. In environmental protection, carnivorous plants can be used to purify wastewater, absorbing harmful substances and improving the ecological environment. Carnivorous plants exhibit a unique and vibrant way of life in the seemingly tranquil plant world. This is similar to how we, in life, face various environments and challenges, need to constantly explore and innovate to find a way to survive that suits us. So, how can we tap into our potential and achieve breakthroughs with limited resources? This is a question worth pondering.